Losing chess, also called suicide chess, anti-chess, and giveaway. How to play. The rules are the same as regular chess, except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. The object of the game is to be the first player to lose all their pieces. If a capture is available to you, you must take it. If you have multiple captures available to you, then you pick which one to take. There is no check or checkmate. The king may be captured like any other piece and may expose itself to capture. You are not allowed to castle, and a pawn is allowed to promote to a king. If the game ends in a stalemate because a player has no legal moves, then that player wins. The game is a draw if the players agree, you reach the 50-move rule, move repetition, or it is impossible for someone to win.